How to draw in one-point perspective. Before the video starts, I want to explain this video is a beginner video on how one-point perspective works and how to draw in one-point perspective. This video is also meant to be very general, so you could be able to apply it on any platform, whether digital or on paper. This video, however, is not a video on how to make it on Photoshop specifically. Photoshop is just the medium I'm using. You can follow along with the drawing in this video, but I suggest you learn what one-point perspective is first, and then with your own drawing second. You want to start with the horizon line. The horizon line is the natural point of perspective. The horizon line is basically your eye level, and the importance of your eye level is that anything below the horizon line you can see the top of an object, and things above you can see the bottom of. So draw your horizon line across your page or wherever your vision sees fit. Now you have to put a vanishing point. The vanishing point makes things appear furthest from the viewer. Its position is where all receding parallel lines meet. With the help of the vanishing point, it makes your drawing seem three-dimensional. So put a point on your horizon line. Here's a look of what the lines meeting at your horizon point looks like. If you're on paper, you don't have to put all these lines like I have on my Photoshop program. You simply align your ruler anytime you need to draw a line on the vanishing point. Now that you have that already, you can start adding objects to your drawing. Okay, so I'm adding objects to my vanishing point and I'm making that the parallel lines meet at the vanishing point. You can see me already aligning lines to the lines that are already visible in my Photoshop, which meet at the vanishing point, which gives it that 3D effect. So you're at the end of the video. Thank you for watching. I hope you learn how to draw 1-point perspective. Please check out some of my other social medias, which will be linked in the bottom of the description. And also don't forget to like and subscribe.